Hi, I'm Nas from Clock Software, and in this video I will show you how to set and use guarantee policies in Clock PMS. With guarantee policies, you calculate the required deposit in the web reservation system and in the confirmation letters. You communicate terms and conditions to your clients. You define how bookings can be paid, and you create refundable and non-refundable rates. Clock PMS supports multiple guarantee policies, and each of them is intended for different cases. Now let's see how guarantee policies are added. From the main menu, select Other, Settings, Guarantee option. Select New. Specify the name of the policy. The name is mainly for system use. You can set a clearer text for your customers later. Move on to the payment services. They are used in your web reservation system. They define how a booking can be finalized, with an online payment by providing credit card details or with an offline bank payment. The selected methods are shown to the client as options. If the policy doesn't require a deposit to be paid, leave the deposit field blank. If otherwise, select the deposit calculation method. A deposit can contain a fixed and/or relative amount. If the required deposit is a fixed amount, fill the amount and select the currency. A deposit relative amount can be based on a percentage of the booking amount and/or nights. If both are defined, the greater amount applies. Deposit percent. Percentage of the booking amount, as you can choose which revenue group to be used for the booking amount calculation: rooms, packages, extra, and so on. Deposit night count. Here you can set how many nights to be counted as a deposit. The night amount is calculated as the average night price based on the booking amount. Let's move on to the guarantee period section. Use the fields of max days after booking creation and min days before arrival to define the period after the creation of a booking and the period before arrival within which the booking is to be guaranteed. Click on Create. With this, the guarantee policy is created. Each guarantee policy can include a description of the hotel terms and conditions, and this description is rendered in the confirmation letters. To edit the text, from the main menu go to Other, Settings, Languages and Texts. To enter the description for each language, select Guarantee Policy Description, Translation. And here, for each policy, enter display name. This is the name of the policy shown to your clients, and fill the description field. Here you have to enter the terms and conditions for this policy. If you don't need deposits and payment settings in the guarantee policy, you can still set a description of the terms and conditions. In this case, you don't need to set up any guarantee policy. Just enter the terms and conditions from the main menu, Other, Settings, Languages and Texts, without guarantee translations. This text will be used in the confirmation letters of bookings or the web reservation system when no guarantee policy is selected. Now let's see how to set the guarantee policies for a web reservation system. They are defined by two settings. First, you have to set the default guarantee policy for the web reservation system. From the main menu, select Other, Settings, Web Reservation System. Find Web Reservation System Guarantee Policy and select the policy. The second setting is the guarantee policy for certain rate. A rate can have its own guarantee policy overriding the default guarantee policy. This way you can create rates with 100% prepayment and others without prepayment. From the same menu, find section Web Reservation System Rates and select link Choose Rates. Select the guarantee policy for each of the rates you need. Click on Save. Depending on the guarantee policy, clients see the payment methods it allows listed as options. They can select one of them to finalize their reservation in the web reservation system. If no guarantee policy is set for the web reservation system, guests can create bookings directly without any guarantee requirements. For bookings created in the system, you can select the guarantee policy as well. This way, the confirmation letter will look the same as the confirmation letter from the web reservation system. A deposit will be calculated and terms and conditions will be printed according to the selected policy. So that was all about guarantee policies in Cloud PMS. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.